Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Welcome, Island Tribe.
Welcome the family.
This is the Island family, as you already know. So today, or this afternoon I should say, we just decided to come. I just finished work not long ago. Decided to come and bring little Bobo, as you can see, to the park over there, because he's a cheeky little bugger and he wants to run around free sometimes. So
Like to get loose.
Island, where are you going? Yeah, look at him. He just likes to run free. I'm actually thinking maybe for Christmas Santa Claus can get him a swing set or something. Or a trampoline or something for the backyard, you know, because we do have a big space, so it'd be good. Say hi, everyone. Guns N' Roses. Hi. Say hi to everyone. Wave. Island. Hey, Mr. Unruly.
You know, I literally thought this thing drive.
What?
I was looking at it all along. I thought it drive, but just realized that it's like.
Where's it gonna drive to?
No, that's what I'm saying. From at this start, it looked like it's actually a train that moves. Now I'm looking at it. It's freaking just plant here in the ground.
Casino College of TAFE built this. It's a college.
Ah.
And welding. My brother's actually doing a course in welding, I think. I might be wrong, but yeah, I think he is. Didn't he tell you he is?
Huh?
Doing a welding course?
I don't remember exactly what he said he was doing. I think he just told me he was studying.
Oh, okay. Look, he's a big island boy. Africa. Okay. Alright, see Daddy? Look at Dad. And Island thinks he's so cool by doing that. Don't you, Island? You think this is like...
Island boy.
Island.
Bobo.
Island, hi. Oh, what you doing? What you doing, boy? Hey, Mr. Curly Hair. Curly locks. What do you mean?
You can do it. Go. Keep trying. You can get there. You hit them out. Eh? Let's go.
Let go, Bobo.
We go.
Let go, Bobo.
We go.
Let go, Bobo. Let go. Let go, Bobo. Hey, babe, look. They got like a full track. We can ride our bikes here.
Oh, yeah.
It's like again. Again. Alright, what you gonna do?
That one.
Yeah, I don't think you can, Bobo. Not yet, man.
Need longer legs, you know, and tighter grip.
Hey, Island, how you gonna be? How you gonna be on YouTube, boy? Huh? Are you gonna make your own channel? Hey? What do you reckon? Hey? Hey? Gung. Alright, go. Run.
Get the leg over.
Gung.
Run as fast as you can. Run as fast as you can.
Come over, let's go. Run. Let's go. Come on. Let go, BB. Let's go, BB.
Really?
You want to sit down?
Really?
Why?
Is that your chilling spot? Go, go. Brum,
Go.
brum.
Come on,
Brum, brum.
let's go. Bye. So if you go slow, it doesn't make you dizzy.
It does. I mean, barely. But if you go fast, it's gonna be like, all right, brother.
2700, brother. Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Bye bye. I gotta get you.
Guys, this is the same Parkway in, which has like a little, what you call it?
BMX bike thing.
Yeah, you can ride on your bike here and thing, and then you have the one for the skateboards over there and things. So yeah, it's nice. You can go around and around and around and down and up and down. Hey, Bobo, and this boy I walk all the way up here. Yeah. Yeah.
Mom!
Run.
This is what it looks like, you know? Sick, babe. Yo. I'm not good at bike stunts anyway, I'm just admiring. Gidgy head.
Go, run. Zoom, zoom, broom, 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 broom. Not bad. They get our bikes, Bobo.
Almost there.
Yay! Good job, Bobby.
Congratulations, Bobo.
Bum, 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 bum. It's your island boy.
Come, Bobo, let's do
Ready?
it.
Let's go.
Bobo, let's do
Ready,
it.
Bobo? Ready? 1,
Come
2,
on,
3.
stay right here.
Ready? Bum, 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 bum. Hey.
Ba, 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 ba.
Bum.
It's the remix and I'm coming with it. Ba, 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 ba. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You know?
Oh. Daddy got you, boy. Dada got you, boy. Dada. Oh God, it's been a long day. Bum, 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 bum. Na 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 na. Go on. What are you doing, boy? Island.
You tired already?
Come.
Yeah, rest off. Let's see ya.
Oh my God! You're gonna put a hole in your pants,
Let's see
boy.
ya. Man can't wear the what no more. Robot pants.
Don't break it.
Are you gonna vlog? That's not how you vlog.
That's not how you vlog, Bobo. Let me show you. Look, there.
Can you do it, Bobo? I don't trust you going down. I swear. Yep. But let's see you go up, because it seems like you have the power to go up. Up you go.
Go, Bobo. Go, Bobo.
Up you go. Uh-oh.
Come on, you're strong. You're strong. You're strong. You're tough, boy.
You can do it.
You're a boy. That's why.
You can do it, Bubba. Look at those legs.
Go, Bobo.
Push those muscles. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, same way.
Uh-oh. Yep. You got it. Good job.
Stand up, Bobo. Stand up.
The legs them dead now. The power guy now. Yes, sir. Yeah, this looks sick. Figure on the bike like. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey,
Look at
right.
that.
Nappy's gonna help you.
Yep.
Cushion. Where you going? Oh, he's smart.
Yeah.
You're not dumb, man. He knows what he's doing.
Mm.
Ba,
Yeah.
ba, ba, ba.
Take your little time.
Ba, ba. Hey, hey. Ba, ba, ba,
Papa,
ba.
look at the shoulder move.
Coming up with the Iceland boy. Oh yeah, Island boy. Oh, God.
Seriously?
Oh,
He does this so often, guys. Every time we're following him, he turns back
Yeah,
like he
he's
doesn't
over
want
us.
us to follow him. Look at him.
He's gonna need our help up there. Watch this.
I tell you.
Jana.
I'm not letting him go down by himself. Like, it's very difficult.
He's so like, I don't know.
You want to be independent so quick.
Hey, you behave yourself, boy. Don't look at me like that. Wait till we're gonna get the bikes this week on Thursday. And guess what?
I don't think you can make that one, Bobo.
We're gonna come.
That
for
one
a
is bigger than you,
ride.
Bobo. That one is bigger than you, Bobo. What? You can do it? How you say? Can you make it up there? Can you go further? Oh, those knees will rub, man. Those knees will rub if you go any further. Oh my God. You're so strong, boy. Good balance too. Yeah.
Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam.
It's the remix and I'm coming with the
Island boy, island boy. Oh gosh. You know, all kids love music, yeah? And so Babe always comes up with all the weird names. Like Gidgy Bass, why I do? Gidgy Bass.
These names, but yeah.
It's a Jamaican thing, I think. I mean, like, I got a few nicknames myself though, like, you know, being Latina and stuff. Like, my name, people know me as Chile, Chiquilita, Gordita, Bonita, Linda. Yeah, man, that's what they say. And what they call you? Papa names, Papa names.
Papa names Nemo. Africa, well that's my stage name. Yeah. I used to call me Fry Eye back in high school too. Some reason I don't know.
And Ratty.
Well, that was my father back then.
Your father called you Ratty. Ratty boy. Wagwan Ratty boy. Yeah.
Pow, pow, pow.
That's Africa.
This is so good, like you can ride all the way, come around, it's just nice.
Mm-hmm.
Up
And we're
down,
using our legs.
down.
Aren't we, Bobo? Quick, quick, quick. Up we go, up we go.
Like that.
Hey, hey.
Got you, boy. No, that's not.
Yucky. That's not for play, baby boy. That's
Ah.
caca.
No, it's from this.
Yeah, I know. But I just say it's caca. Yuck!
Hey, boy.
I'm hungry.
It's not
Let's
food.
go home. Home. It's not food. Come on, home if you're hungry. Hey! Excuse
What's
me.
here? I forced me to see this. Attitude. I don't have this. The man fool. I know. I go on
Excuse
yourself.
me. Excuse me. What was that?
I forced me to see this. No, we're not going down there.
Well, he definitely doesn't get it off me. Full of attitude.
This one is steep, Bobo.
Watch it.
Hold on. Uh-oh.
You have to run, Bobo.
Seriously?
What? You want me? He's telling us to go away. What do you mean? Excuse me, we're not going away. We're protecting you, so you don't get hurt.
The boy has something.
What are you doing with that? What's that? It's a little plant, tree. What? What do you mean? Excuse me.
What's that?
Huh?
What
What?
are you saying?
Excuse me. Oh, you're cutting corners.
Yes, sir.
Careful, there's no snakes or that.
I'll leave those.
Oh God, the things that we do. The things that parents do in general. You know, just to give that child or your children a little bit of freedom outside the house. You know, a lot of kids born in this pandemic have been stuck indoors. Haven't even seen, well, they've seen daylight, but not outside the world.
Look at this babe. Oh shit. It didn't go as planned. Because it broke up in pieces. Island. No.
You put that in your mouth, you're in trouble. Go home. Put that in your mouth and we go home. YouTube watch you. Your grandmas are very upset with you. YouTube grandma and aunties and uncles. What? What do you mean? Don't mess with me. Excuse me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me, boy. Attitude, boy.
Give me this. Thank you. Thank you. Trouble. Look at this now, babe.
Can't see it. All right, let's go now, boy. Go home. Excuse me?
Look here. I swear this boy find attitude already.
Excuse me? What? What's across your arms?
Look here. I forced me to see this.
Dad, what are you teaching him when I'm at work?
I forced right already. Eh? I forced right already. You turn big man already for me. Eh? Very easy.
We're going home now.
Man, now I hear about home.
Home.
I forced me to see this.
Look at him, guys. We're going home? Go home? Go home? Go home. Excuse me?
What? Why is it so serious though?
Home. All right, Mama go boom boom. Bye. Bye. I go boom boom.
Bye, we see you.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
We'll go boom boom. Ice cream. No. Food.
You coming or what? You coming or you gonna stay? Eh? You coming? You coming or not? That's what we're asking.
Come on, let's go.
We go brum brum. Where you go? Seriously? You gonna back up the hill again? Yeah, come here. Yeah, come here.
He's scared, he's scared. Alright, come on, let's go. Well guys, that's a wrap.
Yeah.
This one's a bit more all about Island now.
Yeah,
So, and he's full of attitude, something that I don't see very often.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're watching, what are you watching, huh? Attitudes. Anyways guys, blessings.
Yeah, man.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your family and friends.
Yeah, man. Click that notification bell.
Get us to the 20k guys. Come on. We know you guys can do it.
Yeah, man.
All right, keep cool. Blessings.